Hello everyone. So let's begin with today's session. So today's session is all about marks distribution. Okay, marks distribution analysis from 2001 to 2024. And we will discuss some key topics by which you can score good marks in GATE exam. So this marks distribution is about GATE CSE examination. Alright everyone. So year is given, as you can see that year is given, subjects are given, TOC, algorithm, digital, operating system, database. So those who are targeting to prepare some good number of subject, like good marks subject which has really high weightage and want to leave some of the subject, so this is the video for them. Or else in general, if you want to know the marks of every subject, so also you can see that, right? So this is GATE 2024. This is paper 1, and theory of competition, you can see that this is of 5 marks, right everyone? So 2 marks and 1 mark is given. So actually these are the questions which they have decided, okay, they have given. So it is 40 and 51, and this 1 mark is of 13. After that, algorithm, if we talk about, so this came for 9 marks total. This came for 9 marks in total, and 31, 32, 35, 50 and 7. So for 2 marks, these were the questions, and for 1 mark, this was the question. Alright everyone, so for 2024 paper 1, theory of competition was of 5 marks, algorithm was of 9 marks. If we talk about digital now, so you can see that out of both, algorithm is the must which you can do. And if you are a CSE student, so we always start with the programming language, right? So it is very with data structure, something like this. After that, if you will see digital logic, so this is one of the most easiest subjects you have seen. Only sequential circuit is the topic which requires knowledge or concept. Rest everything is easy. So if you want to cover this, you can also cover this too. And this came for the 6 marks. Alright everyone. Yes, now operating system, you can see the weightage is very high. This is of 10 marks completely. Okay, so operating system is the subject you should not skip, and for 2 marks 30, 44, 47 and 52, this question number came, and for 1 mark 14 and 15. So in total 1 2 3 4 5 6 questions came in total for operating system. So this is a must to do subject. After that, if you see databases, so this also has a very nice weightage of 8 marks. Alright everyone. So 34, 36 came for 2 marks, 10, 11, 12, 25 came for 1 mark. Compiler design also, if you see, so it came with a high weightage of 10 marks. So in GATE, 10 marks, and these are some very high weighted subjects, right? If a subject has 10 mark weightage, then it is considered a very high recommending subject to complete. So for 2 marks 27, 28, 29 and 49 came, and for 1 mark 16 and 23 came. After that, for 8 mark, which is COA, right? So 8 mark it came, and 43, 45, 46 came for 2 marks, and for 1 mark 16 and 23, sorry, 5 and 20 came. After that, programming came for 4 mark, right everyone? So 34, 8 and 9, and you can see that for 2 marks this question came, and for 1 mark this question came. So this 2 and this 2, so total 4 questions came. And for data structure, if you see, so just 1 question came, which was of 2 marks, and the question was 33. So if you consider for 2024, so algorithm, computer, TOC, digital logic, operating system, database, compiler design, architecture are very must to do subjects, right everyone? Now if you see computer networks, so computer networks contains 9 mark. Okay, so 1 2 3, this 2 marks 2 marks questions came for 6 marks, and here this 3. So total 9 marks were for computer networks, and 26, 48 and 55 came for 2 marks, and 6, 19 and 21 came for 1 mark, right? So computer networks were also having a very nice weightage. Now if we discuss the remaining one, so which is discrete maths. Okay, so discrete maths came for 6 marks. The question is not confirmed here. Okay, but discrete maths came for 6 marks. If we talk about mathematical logic, then no questions came from that. If we talk about set theory and algebra, so 3 mark question came like this. After that, combinatory, so 0. Okay, graph theory, if we talk about, so this is also covered 3 mark, 41 and 24 question came from that. After that, engineering mathematics in total have 8 marks, right? Everyone has 8 marks. And how is the distribution to engineering mathematics? So from probability, 4 marks question came, 2 marks 1 question, and 2 marks and 1 marks 2 question came. After that, linear algebra, if you see, so 3 marks, okay, 39th and 2nd question. And calculus, if we talk about, so just 1 question came. All right, everyone. And quantitative aptitude, if you talk, so just 8 mark question came, right, everyone. And it was 7, 8 and 2, 3, 4, 5. Verbal aptitude came for 3 marks, which is 6 and 1. After that, analytical aptitude, no questions came from that. Spatial aptitude, so for 4 mark it came, okay, 2 questions, 9 and 10. So now if you will do total of all these things for GATE 2024, so total 100 marks are there. 35 questions of 2 marks, which is 70, and 30 questions came for 1 mark. Okay, 30 questions came for 1 mark. So that is why it is 30. So you can see this, right, everyone? So total 100 marks like this were the distribution. Now let's discuss GATE 2024, this one, GATE 2024 second paper. So let's see how the questions were asked for this. So you can see that here 5 questions came and here 7 questions came for 7 marks. Algorithm, from 9 the jump was of 6. From digital the jump was of 6, it was same. Operating system is same, database is same, compiler design 2 marks reduced, COA is same, programming is same, data structure is same, networks same. After that, discrete maths just increase. Okay, so you can see that the heavily weighted subject I have already written from the start. So these are the must to do subjects that you should not even try to skip it. All right, everyone. So 2 marks question came like 31, 42, 52, and 1 mark was of 12 marks. Right, everyone? 32, 49 came for 2 marks. And 5 and 25 for 1 mark. After that, for 6 marks, 39, 40, 4 and 20 came. After that, for 10 marks, 27, 32, 36, 43, 54 came. And for 1 marks, 14 and 15 came. So database, if you talk, so I will clear this out so that there should not be any confusion while analyzing the GATE 2024 paper 2. Okay, And database is 8, 35, 46, 9, 10, 16, 17. This 8 also, 30, 33, 55. And for 1 mark, it is 11 and 19. For COA also, you can see that 47, 48, 51, 1 and 21 came. Okay. For 2 marks, these were the questions which came. Right, everyone? So 1 and 22. After that, programming, 26, 3 and 23 came. So 26 was of 2 marks and 3 and 23 was of 1 mark. After that, this one, 29 and 38. Alright, everyone. So you can see that for computer networks, 9 mark question came. 28, 44, 45, 13 and 18. And 22 also. Alright. And for discrete mathematics, you can see 9 mark question came. Okay. So 9 mark, the distribution for the 9 mark is this one. Till here. So on discrete mathematics, mathematical logical question came. Set theory came. After that, combinatory, no single question was there. Okay. And graph theory, 5 questions were there. So if you combine this, so in discrete mathematics, total 9 mark question came. And now if you talk about engineering mathematics, so total 6 mark question came from here. 3 marks from probability, linear algebra 2 marks, and calculus 1 mark. Right, everyone? Yeah, now if we discuss for aptitude, so aptitude, quantitative aptitude, 7 mark came, verbal 3 marks, analytical aptitude 3 mark, after that spatial 2 mark. So here also in this for 35 questions came for 2 marks, 70, and for 1 mark 30 questions came. So in total 100 marks is there. So this is the analysis of GATE 2024. Okay, GATE 2024 analysis. Now let's see GATE 2023. How was the subject weightage according to? So theory of computation, 9 marks question came. So 2 marks. So it is divided, okay, like 2 marks, 3 question, 1 mark, 3 question, like this. So total 9 mark question came of TOC. Okay, and algorithm 6 mark came. Okay, so if you just calculate 2023, so algorithm A plus programming plus data structure, so 6 plus 1 plus 8, so it is how much? 15 marks, right? 15 marks were just from programming subject. So 15 marks were just from programming. And theory of computation is one of the easiest ones. So 9 marks from here. Okay. So 24 marks easily just by preparing 2 subjects you are getting. Okay. And if you just include the digital logic in it, so 30 marks simply you are going to get. Database is also one of the easiest one which covered for 5 marks. So 35 marks, cutoff clear. You have already cleared the cutoff just by preparing 2 subjects. So if your aim is to just clear the cutoff, just study 3 subjects, TOC, whole programming subjects, and digital logic and database. Just prepare this and your cutoff will be clear. But if you are aiming for top rank in GATE, then definitely you have to study all the subjects. Okay, one single subject also should not be missed. Forget about the weightage, forget about every single thing. You just have to cover it all. Alright, everyone, those who are aiming for top 100 rank. But those who just want to clear gate, okay, or those who are looking for the distribution, so they can see this. All right, everyone. And if someone is aiming for gate 2025, so how to get top 70 marks? What are the subjects to prepare to get top 70 marks? So simply I'm circling all those subjects so you can prepare that. See, compiler design is also one of the easiest one. If you leave for operating system, pick up compiler design. So plus 7 if you add, so 42 marks just by preparing this. And CO is also one of the tough one. Okay. After that, computer networks is also tough. Discrete maths, if you see, so the weightage for that is discrete maths is 10 marks. You can see here. Discrete maths, the weightage is 10. So you can take 10 marks also in that. And mathematical logic, set theory, and combinatory and graphs, some questions are there, right? So 52 marks are just covered from here. Engineering mathematics also 6 marks. So 58 marks are gone nowhere. Okay? These marks are gone nowhere. And if you talk about aptitude, like aptitude, so 5, 4 and 3, 3 questions came from here. Okay, so till now the count was of 52 and we have left subject like OS, COA and CN and the count was 52. See, and included 6 marks, so it was 58. And now if you prepare aptitude, so 5, 4 and 3 and 3. So how much it is? This is 9, this is 6, so 15. So 15 if you do, so 3, 1, 6, 73 marks. If you skip OS, COA, CN, if you skip these subjects, so 73 marks are gone nowhere. And from this you can get a decent college. And if you want to be in the top ranks, so you don't have to skip this because these are rank making subjects. Alright everyone, because these are rank making subjects. So this was the analysis of 2023. Let's just quickly see the analysis of the further one. So you can see that every year the weightage is very nice on this subject. Every year. Okay. So if you see for 2022, so 8 marks from TOC. After that, algorithm 6 marks, 5 marks of digital, 10 marks of operating system, 7 marks of database, compiler design 4 marks, COA 7 marks, programming 5 marks, data structure 4 marks, 10 marks of computer networks. Okay. 10 mark was of computer networks. And after that, yeah, this one. So discrete mathematics 13. After that, engineering mathematics is of 6 marks. All these 3 subjects included. After that, aptitude is there, verbal is there, and these are the some of the aptitudes are there. So 35 came for 2 marks and 30 for 1 mark. So this is the proportion, everyone. And now if you discuss for GATE 2021. Okay, so it's the same, little bit same. Okay, so you can see that the subjects came for 8 mark, 9 marks, 6 marks, 6 marks, 8 marks, 7 marks, 5, 4, 6 mark, 9 marks, and 9 marks in general, 4, 1 and 4, like this it came. Okay, and if you just see here also, they are all increasing, or they have the same weightage as earlier. Same weightage as earlier. Little bit some changes are there. Like here TOC came for 8 marks, and here in 2021 paper 2 it came for 11 marks. And here it came for 10 marks, 7 marks, 8 marks, 7 marks. Again you can see that it is same just by increasing by 1 to 2 marks. So 6 marks, 6 marks, 6 marks. So like this the consistency is there. For 2020 also 9 mark TOC came. After that algorithm came for 8 marks, 6 marks, 10 marks, 8 marks. After that you can see 4 marks and like this. And now if we check for 2019, to 17. Okay, so 2019, 18, 17 and this. So 8 marks, 8 marks, 12 marks. Okay, in 2017 it was of 12 marks. After that, and this is of TOC. Okay, this is of Algo. This is of DLD, digital. Okay, like this. So don't worry if you are not able to understand, because if you will see the PDF of this, so you will get to know. Okay, in the comment below I will also attach the PDF of this. So this came for 6 marks, this came for 8 marks here. So here 8 marks, here 6 marks in 2018. 17 it came for 6 mark, it came for 8 marks, and after that 17 paper 1 it came for 3 marks, and 3 marks only 1 mark question was there. Okay, and this came for 10 marks. All right everyone, so 10 marks, and the questions of 2 marks were huge in this, and this was of 17 and 23. This 8 marks 32, 51 and 55, 11 and 14. After that 6 mark, 4 marks, 8 marks, 4 marks, like this the questions were there. 2 marks 36 and 43, 1 mark 3 and 19, 4 question for 45, 1 and 2, like this the questions were there. You all can see this one time, everyone. If you have any doubt, you can write it in the chat box. Any doubt in any of the year. Okay, so there are few subjects which you should not leave, and that we have discussed in this session. And this session was all about which subjects is must to clear first, is must to cover first, okay, should be practiced on, and which subjects you can leave. So generally if anyone wants to be in top 100, so the ideal thing is you should not leave any subject. But still, if you are preparing, okay, for marks to get like 70 plus marks, so we have discussed that also. Really see. Now if you move ahead in this, so again you can see this was of 2017 paper 2 distribution. After that this is 2016 paper 1 and paper 2. So 9 questions of TOC, 7 questions of algorithm, digital 7, operating 9, 5 of database, compiler design 7, COA 5 questions. Majorly they ask for 2 marks question only. Okay, and programming came for 6 marks. And the distribution of questions were equal. Okay, data structures came for 7 marks. So 9 marks here for algorithm, 3, 7, 6, 5 and 11. COA came for 11 marks. And majorly questions came this time for 2 marks, you can see. Okay, 2 marks. So if you prepare COA also very nicely, so it is a rank changing actually subject. Some subjects are there which are rank changing like COA, OS, CN. And you can see the distributions of their questions also. For 2 marks, how much? For 1 mark, how much? Right, everyone? And this is of 5 marks, 7 marks. Rest also you can see. It's there in the PDF. And if you want the PDF, so you can comment it below for the PDF. Okay, everyone? So I will attach the PDF. So if you want this PDF of distribution, please comment it below. Similarly, you can see this for 2015 and 14 also. So 14 and 13 also distribution, you can see that. Everyone. So TOC came for 6 marks here, and in 13 it came for 8 mark, you can see. Same you can see the structure for algo. So in 2014 it came for, in 2013 it came for 13 marks. Majorly the questions were from 2 marks. Right, everyone? So similarly you can see, and if you will extend this PDF, so you will get to know more and more. So you can see that the minimum and average and maximum is also given for each subject. Like minimum, how many questions came, average, how many questions came, and max, how many questions came, and that is for every subject. So the screen is not going to cover all the things. So that is why the minimum subject is only covered. But if you want the PDF, please comment it below. I will provide you the PDF of this so that you can check by yourself also one time. So this was from 2010 to 2024 marks distribution analysis of all the subjects of CSE. And from this minimum, average and maximum, you can decide which subject you can leave or which subject can get you to crack 70 plus marks in the exam. Okay, as you can see that this is TOC, this is algo, this is DLD, and the PDF names are there by side. So minimum 3 marks came, maximum average is 7 and maximum marks came for 12. So you can think that whether you can go for this subject or not. And same for algo, you can see 4, 9 and 15. So maximum, the question also came for 15 marks. Minimum it went for 4 and average 9 marks is there. And this is for all the subjects, you can see, all the subjects. Alright, everyone. So if you really like the video and thought that it is very, very helpful, so please subscribe the channel, like this video and share with your friends who really need this, who is looking for 70 plus marks or wanted the marks distribution of every subject. And it is done in a very detailed way, like 2 marks question for which came, okay, 1 mark question of what subjects. And after that, minimum is how much, maximum is how much, average is how much. So a detailed distribution is shown here. And if you really want the PDF, so please comment it below. I will provide the PDF of this thing. So it will be very helpful. Alright, everyone. So see you all in the